Hi guys, welcome to Joseph Changes the World. Today we're going for a walk to see nature. So first, let's see some things that grow.
Is that a squirrel right there?
Yeah, squirrels live on these tall trees over here.
What kind of trees are these?
Pine trees.
Awesome, Joe. They're pretty tall.
Whoa, they're almost as tall as the sky.
Look, when you go stand by them, they're way taller than you.
Wow, isn't that great?
Yeah. What kind of sounds do you hear?
I hear geese.
Those are the geese. They must be talking to each other, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So when we're walking in our neighborhood, what kind of colors do you see out here in nature?
I see rainbow colors, and I also see neon colors.
What season are we in?
We're in spring.
What's important about spring? What happens in the springtime?
The flowers grow, and there are so much to do.
Yeah. What's the temperature like?
The temperature is about,
Is it warm or cold?
it's about warm.
It's about warm.
And let me show you something else. So these are the flowers. Aren't they pretty?
Pretty awesome, Joe. They're all just now coming out, right?
Yeah, and even bees pollinating them.
Oh, bees pollinate?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Let's see how many petals this flower has.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice. So maybe when we go home, you can look it up and see what the name of it is.
Yep.
It has 6 pink petals. Now we're going downhill. Joseph is outside taking a nice nature walk to get some exercise. And what's in his right hand that's so important to have when you're exercising? What is that you got, Joe?
Yes,
Yeah,
I got water.
water. So you have water. What else has water?
The lake.
Oh, there's a lake on each side of us.
And oceans and rivers have water too.
Mm-hmm. What do you know that's in that lake?
Sometimes in lakes there are fish. You can catch fish.
Who catches fish? Who used to catch fish down here?
Papa.
Yeah. And what else have you seen in that lake?
I've also seen geese.
Really? Can you show us some?
Yeah, those geese over there. Look at those geese.
Wow. If we go too close, what'll happen?
They'll run away.
Oh.
So that's why I got the camera close.
Yeah, I got the camera close about us being close. We're actually about a few more feet away.
Look at those waterfalls in there.
Yep. You hear the sounds of the water?
Mhm.
It's overflowing a little bit.
Whoa. Bye. Thank you for watching Joseph Changes the World.